So my name's Joey, I'm Timmy's dad, and my brother Jake, which is Timmy's Uncle Jake, him and I move train cars together. This is a model of kind of how we do it. So the first thing we do when we get there, we use hydraulic jacks and we lift up the caboose. So we use hydraulic jacks and we'll get the caboose way in the air. And when it's in the air like that, we use a bobcat skid steer to roll the railroad axles out. Those railroad axles are called trucks, and that's what goes underneath the boxcar caboose to go down the rail. So we have a roll-off truck, which will come back and will tilt back and roll down, and the railroad wheels will roll up using a winch. We'll roll them up onto our roll-off. Then we'll pull that out of the way, and Timmy's Uncle Jake will back a semi up with what's called a Jeep. So this thing here is called a Jeep. It was custom built by Jake and I, and we'll back it under the caboose. So he'll back it under the caboose, and then once we get it lined up just right, we'll use the hydraulic jacks to lower the boxcar or the caboose back down onto the Jeep. And the Jeep is sort of like a little trailer. So we'll get it lined up, and it fits within a pin and slides down on there, and we'll strap it and chain it down. Then we'll come to the back side, and using that same hydraulic jacks, we'll lift up the back side, and we'll roll the trucks out. So we'll get the railroad trucks out of there. We have two jacks to keep the caboose stable, so it doesn't want to fall. And then we have another tool called a bogie. And this bogie is another set of highway tires that will roll under the caboose or the boxcar, or whatever we're moving. And so when we roll it under, we'll set it on. We'll get those jacks out of there, and we'll strap it and chain it down. And then we pull the railroad car with the semi pulling the Jeep, and the Jeep pulling the railroad car with highway tires underneath it. And we'll drive it right down the road.